So the challenge for today, mate, is let's see how much stuff we can take off these cars, and then we'll line it all up in a row, and then we'll work out how much money there's sitting there, yeah?
The body's gonna look like a 10.
That's fun. They'll call me the pretty mechanic. That's what I'll be. The pretty mechanic. Muhammad Ali's the pretty boxer. I'm the pretty mechanic. Come.
That's how we know.
Wow.
That's how we know. That's how we know.
Why are your sleeves wet?
What do you mean? Why are my sleeves
He's
wet?
getting dirty. What do you expect?
I'm working.
Right.
So this to come off.
Right.
Run me through it. What do you need to do?
Well, so first of all, we need to remove that bolt there,
Okay.
and then we need to remove that bolt there,
Yeah.
that bolt there.
What is that? 14 mil?
10 or 12, I think now.
And I haven't even done this before, and I've come and I've corrected you. You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
I think Mick's gonna hit you with the socket, right? You know.
No, it's all right. Yeah.
Here's the moment that Vida gets his hands dirty.
One smaller.
So if it's a 14, you'll do what to me?
Well, I said 14. I'm still closer than you were. You said it was a 10. It was actually a 13 or a
A
12.
few hours later.
I was closest. It was a 13.
And what was
I said
Mick?
14.
What was Mick's best
Mick said
guess?
It was a 10.
Well, that's okay.
Yeah, he was working Stevie Wonder style. He's even got the glasses to match. Look.
No, you actually have to. Okay, back up.
Yeah.
It's 1 out of how many?
8, I think. If it's 3 on each side or 4 on each side.
Are you keeping the bolt? Are you just dumping the bolt?
Okay then.
Is that not part of the...
Hurry up.
When you're selling this, you're not gonna sell it with the bolts?
Shit. Motherfuckers can bring their own bolts. Plus, these bolts have been on the car for like what, 30 years?
Yeah, that's true.
They designed all their cars to have a lot of shit in the way. So before you can even get to the bolt, you need to get rid of all the bits in the middle.
Is
So
it all that stuff there?
this was blocking majority of that. And
I didn't-
by the time you do one bolt, then you need to take another 6 out.
Yeah.
It's enjoyable. And each time the size changes.
I am now.
That's the last bolt out.
Okay.
Right.
Now, had Mick said that he wanted to keep the bolts, that would have taken a bit longer. But he doesn't care about the bolts, so I just flicked them wherever on the floor. Yeah. But yeah, if we were keeping the bolts, that would have been a bit longer. But yeah. And also, yeah, like you said, you're taking all this stuff out, so...
He's made the job a lot easier. A lot easier.
On the M20 B25, which is what this is, the bolts are just on the bottom by the looks of it. If there are any more on the top, we still have the injection rail to take off if there are any more. But I took the ones off at the back, so it should lift off. Nope.
No, that's something.
The other side, isn't it?
Nope, no, that's removed already. That was only connected to this at the top. I've removed it. This pit is going to come out, but I need to get that screwdriver, which is over. There we go. It has separated, just
Yeah, you can see.
it's a bit tight. I don't know if it's a sensor or what it is, but there we go.
Ooh, how...
That engine looks nothing like this one. 50.
So,
I didn't know what fucking bolt this size was.
for context, Fiddy said, so what else do we need to remove? And yeah, that's the debacle right now.
I don't even know which bolt to remove. Because,
Right, I've taken the ones off the base off.
great.
This one you've taken off here.
Are you sure there's nothing at the back?
Okay, so there could be something in between, right? Because it shouldn't be held on just at the bottom, it should be held in the middle as
How
well.
about these things?
Yeah, we should probably try and take them off as well now.
Well, this would be worth a bit of money, for sure.
It's not actually. It's like 100 quid. For the amount of labour that goes in, for the amount of pain that you go through to get this motherfucker off, it's...
You're at the ship, you're having fun.
I wanted to see what bits were in there. There's little bits and bobs in there.
Oh, you'll see this much.
Oh, there's more.
Cocaine for you, if you want some crack.
it's right.
I don't.
This is how I do it personally. It works for me so far. What I do is I put it in like this
And pull it
and I
forward.
just fucking wrench the fuck out of it till it comes off.
Oh.
And
Okay.
then I pull. And it just
Right, I was trying not to break it.
And we did
it's
the
not
opposite.
breaking it. It's the way it's designed. It's designed to clip in here, and then that Z's sort of like.
But then don't you want to keep the little pin in for your customers?
For my customers, this engine is so old. Honestly, these wirings and that, I doubt.
Well, I suppose you're not selling the wiring, are you? You're selling this. So. Okay. Either you give me the hammer and I'll do it, or you hold it and you have it.
You don't trust me?
I trust you. I don't trust your old ass eyes. Oh yeah, we're breathing in that good dust.
Oh,
It's gonna extend our lives by a few
Shelby,
years.
please video this little bit here. This bit here, please. This little sticker.
Warning: contains asbestos.
Asbestos in a car.
Sorry. Did they sell it with this?
In a car.
No.
Be careful when you go.
Hold on a minute. Did it actually come with this thing?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Where was it? This is some good, interesting research.
So
to do.
basically, these cars are old enough, and some of them had asbestos on it. So my red E12 over there had
Red
asbestos
E12. Oh yeah,
on
yeah.
the brakes. So around.
So as you're driving around, you're hitting your brake, and there's asbestos
You're dusting it all over to everyone.
flying into little Jimmy's.
No.
little Jimmy's not.
The brake pads were asbestos. But
That's hilarious.
I when I found out, I was like, oh my god, there's me with a wire brush, cleaning the hell out of it with no mask, and yeah, I learned out after. So I was like, okay. So that's the throttle body for the,
Look a bit closer.
but I can't use it because of that one snapped off.
Oh.
That's why I didn't care about fixing it, because it snapped off.
Oh
Okay.
right, okay.
So we've taken our first bit of part off that we might be able to make some money out of, and turns out that it's already broken. So
Really, you don't need it after all
there's a
that. Okay, so guys, can I ask you a question? If there's a hole in that, what does that mean? When it was driving, what happened to it?
No,
No, it broke on me taking it off.
So, Mick had enough of this shit.
I'm not gonna judge you.
I would say hope.
Like so.
Everyone run back.
Will do.
Everyone row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. This is what's going to go on the picture for the fucking reel.
It's like your wedding, but wet. Fuck. There you go.
Left and right, shimmy, shimmy sort of thing. You can't just do one side and not the other. Do you get it?
Alright, cool. Now all we need to do is
Pull it back.
I'm gonna push.
And Vidhi, do you want to pull? I'm going to see shit now.
try pushing the other side, the other corner. You do that side, I do this side. Done.
And the boys have done it. Mick has pushed.
Mick's giving birth.
So boys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how often would you be doing this?
What are you wrenching? Is it in? No! How's it so gentle? Put it back in, bro. Now, assemble it and put it into the hole properly. And then do it gently with my thumb on the top. Is it in? Is it in? Good. Thumbs on the top. Gentle.
Yeah.
So this should now come out. I think we might even have the original BMW sticker.
Right, so basically, these bolts come off, this top piece will come off, which means we might be able to salvage the rest of it.
The rest of it, yeah.
And still sell it.
The last smooth.
It is technically like that.